Congress MP Shashi Tharoor is all praises for the Nitish-led Bihar model. A state that became synonymous with Jungle Raj has earned praises from Shashi Tharoor. Lauding the work done by NDA government without, of course, naming it, Tharoor said the infrastructure is so much better than what he had heard. He said people are out on the streets even late at night, which wasn't the case earlier. He also said roads look good, there is electricity, water is available, everything is functioning. Tagging the External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, he even mentioned how impressed he was with Nalanda University campus. Listen in.
देखिए बदलाव तो बहुत देखते हैं, लेकिन मैं तो पहले इतना साल पहले नहीं आया था। मैं सुना हूँ कि हाल अच्छा नहीं था। हाँ। आजकल तो रास्ते अच्छा लग रहा है, रात के वक्त लोग बाहर है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चल रही है, पानी चल रही है, सब कुछ मेरे ख्याल में अच्छा लग रहा है।
Interestingly, this remark has been made by Shashi Tharoor a month after Bihar election results. Mahagathbandhan had slammed the BJP-JDU government over deplorable condition of Bihar during election campaign. Rahul Gandhi had accused the Modi-Nitish government of crushing the dreams of youth in Bihar, leaving the state neglected and trailing on almost every development index. While Tharoor seems to be lauding the same Bihar model, it's not the first time Tharoor has taken a stand on an issue that's different from his party. Congress MP Imran Masood was asked about his reaction to what Tharoor said. According to Imran Masood, Tharoor disha bhatak gaye hai. Listen it.
हाँ, कानून भी बहुत अच्छा हो गया, राम राज है वहां तो। अरे थरूर साहब को विचारों को असल में समझ में नहीं आ रहा, दिशा भ्रमित हो गए कि वो करें तो करें क्या। मुख्यमंत्री बनने की इतनी लंबी चाहत है कि उस चाहत में वो कुछ भी करने को तैयार हैं। ना उनको आइडियोलॉजी से मतलब रहा, ना उनको किसी और चीज से मतलब रहा।
Let's go across to Niyamika. She's joining us on the broadcast with more details. You know, once again, an issue on which Shashi Tharoor has taken a completely different stand from the party, and criticism also coming his way.
Well, yes, indeed. We have seen that earlier also. Mr. Shashi Tharoor has given some statements which is completely in contrast with the official party line, and this is what we have seen in the latest comment as well. It was the Mahagathbandhan parties and specifically the Congress party which had continuously, blamed the Nitish Kumar government in the state of Bihar that there is no such development which has taken place. They had also questioned the law and order situation there, but this time Mr. Shashi Tharoor has praised the Nitish Kumar government. He said that earlier he used to listen to all these complaints about the development not being done in the state of Bihar, but when he himself has gone there, he has praised the way in which infrastructure has been developed. In fact, about electricity as well as the water supply which is being there, he has given the credit to the Nitish Kumar government. But on the other side, when this question was being asked to the Congress party's own leaders, the other member of parliament, Mr. Imran Masood, he has sarcastically stated that is it a Ram Raja which is there in the state of Bihar. He basically questioned the stand which is being taken by Mr. Shashi Tharoor, saying that he has so much of aspirations of becoming the chief minister that he has even forgotten about the ideology, he has forgotten about the party line, and that is the only reason why he is praising the Bihar government which is being led by Nitish Kumar. On the other side, when this question was being asked to Mr. Pawan Khera, who is the chief spokesperson of the Congress party, he said that he also wants to get the same glasses which Shashi Tharoor is wearing, because of which he is seeing everything well and good in the state of Bihar. So that is the kind of sarcastic comments which have come in from the side of the Congress party's other leaders. But this is not the very first time when Mr. Shashi Tharoor has taken a completely different stand from the official party line.
Well, this has definitely given BJP an opportunity to mock the Congress party. Let's listen into the reaction. Niyamika, stay on with us.
Once again, Dr. Tharoor has shown that nobody takes Rahul Gandhi seriously. Rahul Gandhi has been making all kinds of bogus allegations on Bihar verdict, and Dr. Tharoor says that look, in the last 20 years in the NDA government, a lot of transformation has taken place in Bihar. This is exactly what the Janmat said. The people endorsed this position. That's why they voted in the NDA government once again. But people in Congress want that Janpat should be above Janmat. And Dr. Tharoor has kept Janmat above Janpat. Now, I don't know what they will do to Dr. Tharoor, because last time he wished L.K. Advani ji happy birthday, he had to face consequences. He took the side of India in Operation Sindoor, he had to face consequences. But this tendency of not taking Rahul Gandhi seriously is a big tendency.
All right, we are moving on now. We have a big